This is every current aircraft in the Saudi Arabian military inventory. Fighters, bombers, transports, helicopters, trainers, reconnaissance platforms, and advanced drones. Over 900 machines, some American-built, some European-engineered, some cutting-edge Turkish and Chinese technology. First up, fighters and multi-role combat aircraft. F-15 Eagle. The American air superiority fighter forms the backbone of Saudi combat power. Introduced in 1981, it has dominated every major air engagement. The airframe remains potent across multiple variants and continues operational service today. F-15 Strike Eagle. This multi-role variant combines air-to-air lethality with devastating ground strike capability. Deliveries began in 1995 and continued through 2020. The Strike Eagle carries advanced targeting systems and precision-guided munitions across all operational roles. Eurofighter Typhoon. Europe's modern multi-role fighter entered Saudi service in 2009. This agile platform excels in air combat and ground attack missions. The Typhoon provides NATO-compatible avionics and contemporary sensor fusion across its fleet. Panavia Tornado IDS. The Joint European Strike aircraft serves as a low-level penetration bomber. Initial delivery occurred in 1986 with continued service through the fleet. The Tornado executes interdiction, strike, and reconnaissance missions with proven combat effectiveness. Next up, airborne early warning and control aircraft. Boeing E-3 Sentry. The American AWACS platform provides long-range radar surveillance across the Arabian Peninsula. Saudi Arabia acquired 5 aircraft, with deliveries completed in 1987. The E-3 detects airborne threats and directs fighter intercepts from extended range. Saab 2000 AEWC. Sweden's airborne warning system entered Saudi service in 2000. This platform delivers tactical radar coverage and airspace management capability. The Saab 2000 operates alongside the Boeing fleet to maintain continuous surveillance operations. Continuing with aerial refueling and tanker aircraft. KC-707KE-3A. This American-based tanker platform extends the combat radius of Saudi fighter forces across vast distances. Derived from the Boeing 707 airframe, 5 aircraft entered service in 1986. The KE-3A transfers fuel through boom refueling systems to compatible fighter and transport aircraft. KC-130H Hercules. The turboprop tanker variant of the legendary Hercules transport carries fuel bladders for aerial transfer. 7 aircraft operate in the Saudi inventory since 1970. This platform executes both refueling and cargo transport missions simultaneously across multiple fronts. KC-130J Super Hercules. The modernized Hercules tanker provides upgraded engines and extended range capability. 2 aircraft entered service in 2016 with advanced avionics and navigation systems. The KC-130J maintains tactical refueling operations with reduced crew workload and superior performance. Airbus A330 MRTT. Europe's modern multi-role tanker transport entered Saudi service in 2015. This large-body platform carries enormous fuel capacity and advanced boom refueling systems. The A330 MRTT sustains prolonged operations across strategic ranges with commercial-grade reliability. Continuing with transport and utility aircraft. CASA CN-235. This twin-engine transport aircraft operates in both cargo and VIP configuration roles. 4 aircraft serve the Saudi military with tactical transport capability. The CN-235 operates from short airstrips in forward operating bases across the kingdom. Gulfstream 4. This twin-engine business jet executes high-speed executive and VIP transport missions. 2 aircraft provide rapid personnel movement for senior government officials. The Gulfstream 4 reaches distant locations with cabin comfort and advanced navigation systems. BAe Jetstream 31. This twin-engine transport performs liaison and personnel movement duties across regional routes. 1 aircraft maintains operational status for communications and staff support flights. The Jetstream 31 operates efficiently on short-field runways in austere conditions. Cessna Citation 2 Bravo. This light business jet provides fast executive and VIP transportation capability. 4 aircraft execute high-priority personnel transport and liaison missions. The Citation 2 Bravo delivers rapid deployment across regional distances with twin turbofan efficiency. Beechcraft Super King Air 350. This twin turboprop utility transport serves reconnaissance and liaison roles across the kingdom. 15 aircraft operate for various support and observation missions. The King Air 350 reaches remote locations with extended endurance and reliable performance. Boeing 747. This massive wide-body airliner serves government and royal flight transport duties. 2 aircraft provide long-range strategic airlift for senior officials and state delegations. The Boeing 747 connects Saudi Arabia to distant international destinations with maximum capacity. Continuing with reconnaissance and special missions aircraft, King Air 350 ER/ISR. This turboprop platform integrates signals intelligence and synthetic aperture radar systems. 2 aircraft provide tactical battlefield observation and electronic surveillance capability. The King Air 350 ER/ISR operates at medium altitude for extended reconnaissance missions across vast areas. Tornado IDS Reconnaissance. The Tornado strike aircraft includes dedicated photo reconnaissance and surveillance variants. These platforms carry advanced camera systems and mapping sensors beneath their fuselages. The Tornado reconnaissance variants deliver real-time imagery and targeting intelligence from low-level penetration runs. Boeing E-3 SIGINT. One E-3 Sentry variant carries specialized signals intelligence and electronic warfare collection equipment. This platform monitors enemy communications and radar emissions across the battlefield. The E-3 SIGINT provides critical electronic intelligence to command centers and fighter operations. Continuing with helicopters, Bell 212. This twin-turbine utility helicopter executes transport and combat support missions across the kingdom. 24 aircraft provide medium-lift capability for troops and cargo movement. The Bell 212 operates reliably in hot, high-altitude conditions across Middle Eastern terrain. Bell 412. The advanced utility variant of the Bell helicopter family offers improved performance and avionics. 16 aircraft serve in transport and casualty evacuation roles. The Bell 412 delivers enhanced power and speed compared to earlier turbine helicopter generations. Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk. This American utility helicopter provides rapid troop and equipment transport capability. 2 aircraft execute special operations and personnel movement missions. The UH-60 Black Hawk delivers superior speed and tactical flexibility across all terrain types. Eurocopter AS-332 Cougar. This European twin-turbine transport helicopter handles search and rescue and utility missions. 13 aircraft perform personnel recovery and casualty evacuation operations. The AS-332 Cougar operates across water and land for extended range and maritime capability. Continuing with trainer aircraft, Bayhawk. This British jet trainer introduces pilots to high-speed flight and advanced weapon systems. 81 aircraft operate across multiple advanced training squadrons. The Hawk provides transition training from basic to operational fighter aircraft with proven combat heritage. Pilatus PC-21. Switzerland's advanced turboprop trainer delivers superior performance and cockpit technology. 55 aircraft train Saudi pilots in modern avionics and tactical procedures. The PC-21 excels at aerobatic instruction and develops precision flying skills across all altitudes. Cirrus SR-22T. This American light turbocharged trainer provides basic and intermediate flight instruction capability. 25 aircraft operate in primary training roles across the kingdom. The Cirrus SR-22T delivers modern avionics and safety systems to establish foundational pilot skills. Pak MFI-17 Mushak. This Pakistani-designed primary trainer develops fundamental piloting techniques and aircraft handling. 20 aircraft introduce student pilots to basic flight principles and controls. The Mushak operates efficiently in hot climates with minimal maintenance requirements and fuel consumption. Finally, unmanned aerial vehicles. Wing Loong 1. This Chinese medium-altitude unmanned combat aircraft executes reconnaissance and precision strike missions. Over 150 aircraft equip Saudi Arabian forces across multiple operational squadrons. The Wing Loong 1 carries guided missiles and surveillance pods for extended endurance operations. Wing Loong 2. The upgraded Chinese UCAV variant delivers enhanced payload capacity and extended mission duration. Between 100 and 150 aircraft operate throughout the Saudi inventory. The Wing Loong 2 integrates advanced targeting systems and precision-guided munition compatibility across operational theaters. CH-4B, this Chinese heavy-lift unmanned combat aircraft, carries substantial ordnance loads across extended ranges. 50 to 80 aircraft provide strike capability independent of manned fighter availability. The CH-4B operates from forward bases with minimal ground infrastructure requirements. Karyal Su and Haboob. The Turkish tactical reconnaissance and attack drone enters service with Saudi production agreements. 15 to 30 aircraft deploy across multiple squadrons in reconnaissance and strike roles. The Karyal Su and locally produced Haboob variants provide NATO-compatible control systems and targeting integration. Sakr series. Saudi indigenous drone development produces reconnaissance and tactical ISR platforms. Over 200 aircraft of various Saker marks operate across observation and surveillance missions. The Saker series represents domestic capability development aligned with Vision 2030 localization goals. Seeker 400. The South African and Saudi joint venture UCAV delivers medium-altitude strike capability. 20 to 40 aircraft provide versatile armed reconnaissance across the kingdom. The Seeker 400 carries precision weapons and advanced surveillance sensors for multi-role operations. Bayraktar Akinsai. Turkey's advanced high-altitude unmanned combat aircraft enters Saudi service in 2025-2026. This platform integrates cruise missiles and supersonic weapons for strategic strike capability. The Akinsai represents cutting-edge Turkish drone technology with joint Saudi production and localization agreements. Samum. Saudi Arabia develops this indigenous heavy twin-engine UCAV with substantial payload capacity. The Samum remains in active development with planned 7 hardpoints for ordnance carriage. This platform represents next-generation Saudi autonomous attack capability aligned with domestic defense industrialization.